Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PDFs opening in the browser instead of Acrobat. So if your PDF file is open in a web browser instead of the app or Adobe Acrobat, the browser may be set as default PDF viewer or configured to display PDFs automatically. So actually guys, first you will need to make Adobe Acrobat your default PDF viewer. So first, ensure Acrobat is default application for PDF files as I told you. So actually guys, you will need to go to the menu right here and then just go to the preferences, right? And here guys, you will find four options below here on the basic tools. Okay, so actually you will find always open PDF exported from MS Office here, and that's the most important one on that video. So go with always open PDFs saved from the web, right? And then go with OK. And also guys, you will need to go to the Windows settings. And here you will need to go with the apps on the left hand menu. So this is the apps option, click it. And now go with the default apps and find Adobe Acrobat. So if you can't actually see it here, just type it on the search bar or search apps here, click it. And then go to the .pdf and make sure that Adobe Acrobat is the default. If not, click it and then go and select Adobe Acrobat, double click it, or go one click and go with the default button with the blue color here. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.